Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. There's something special about an Alaskan potato. It's often more flavorful and hearty than what you might find elsewhere. We're talking about a noticeable difference in taste and texture that truly stands out. Many people wonder what makes these potatoes so unique. The secret lies in Alaska's long summer daylight hours. This extended sunshine creates ideal growing conditions, leading to distinctly delicious potatoes. These aren't just any spuds. They're packed with flavor you'll love. Why Alaska's long daylight hours matter for potatoes. Alaska's unique growing conditions, especially the extended summer daylight, play a significant role in developing its potatoes. These long hours of sun are not just a minor detail. They fundamentally change how potato plants grow and produce their tubers. This consistent light exposure directly affects crucial processes within the plant. In turn, it contributes to the hearty texture and rich flavor that Alaskan potatoes are known for. It all comes down to how the plant harnesses this constant light to create energy and build its structure. The science of photosynthesis in extended daylight. Think of photosynthesis as a potato plant's power factory. It is the process where plants convert sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide into energy. In Alaska, with nearly continuous daylight during summer, this factory runs almost non-stop. This extended shift allows potato plants to work overtime. During photosynthesis, the plant creates two essential components. ATP, adenosine triphosphate. This is the plant's immediate energy currency. It fuels all cellular activities. Glucose. This simple sugar is the foundation for more complex carbohydrates. It is also the building block for the potato itself. More daylight means more time for these reactions to occur. This leads to an increased production of ATP and glucose. The plant has an abundance of energy and sugars. This surplus directly translates to larger, more robust potatoes. They also have a higher nutritional content. In contrast, potatoes grown in lower latitudes experience shorter summer days. Their power factories get less operating time. This often results in smaller potatoes with less intense flavor. The slow, steady growth cycle under Alaska's extended light allows for optimal development, creating denser, more flavorful tubers. Nutrient accumulation and flavor development. The increased photosynthetic activity from Alaska's extended daylight does more than just make bigger potatoes. It allows for a greater accumulation of nutrients. With an abundance of energy and sugars, the plant can invest heavily in building its tubers. This investment includes complex carbohydrates. These give Alaskan potatoes their hearty, dense texture. Minerals. Essential minerals are absorbed more efficiently and stored in higher concentrations. Flavor compounds. The plant uses excess energy to create a wider array of organic compounds. These contribute directly to the potato's distinct and rich flavor. The plant essentially uses its surplus energy to create stronger, more dense cell structures within the potato. This isn't just about size. It is about quality. The extra energy translates into a fuller, more satisfying eating experience. It helps explain why many people find Alaskan potatoes exceptionally flavorful. Common Alaskan potato varieties and their traits. Now that you understand why Alaskan potatoes are so special, let's look at some of the varieties you're likely to find. Each type offers something a little different. Many have adapted to the unique northern climate. You'll notice how their flavor and texture stand out thanks to those long, sunny days. Russet varieties, ideal for baking and frying. When you think of a classic baked potato or crispy French fry, you're likely imagining a russet. Alaskan russets are particularly excellent for these dishes. They have a naturally starchy texture. This starchiness is key to achieving a light and fluffy interior when baked. It also creates that satisfying crispiness when fried. The long daylight hours contribute significantly to this. They allow the potatoes to develop a high solids content. This means less water, which is important. It prevents your potatoes from becoming watery or mushy during cooking. Instead, you get a dense, flavorful potato that holds up well to high heat. Popular Alaskan russet varieties include russet Burbank, a widely recognized variety, known for its uniform shape and excellent baking qualities. Alaska frostless. This variety is specifically bred for Alaskan conditions. It boasts good yields and storage capabilities, performing well in long daylight. Red and yellow varieties, perfect for roasting and salads. In contrast to russets, Alaskan red and yellow potatoes offer a different culinary experience. These varieties are known for their waxy texture. What does waxy mean for your cooking? It means they hold their shape beautifully after being cooked. This characteristic makes them perfect for dishes where you want the potato pieces to remain intact. Think potato salads, roasted potato wedges, or even a chunky mashed potato. The slow, consistent growth cycle under extended daylight helps these potatoes develop firm cell structures. This results in their desired smooth texture and ability to resist breaking down. Some prominent red and yellow Alaskan varieties are red Norland, an early maturing red potato with a smooth skin and firm, white flesh. It's excellent for boiling and salads. Yukon Gold. This popular yellow-fleshed potato is versatile. It has a moist texture and buttery flavor, making it great for roasting and mashing. Alaska Sweetheart. A newer variety often praised for its taste and adaptability to Alaskan growing conditions. It's a versatile choice for many dishes. Beyond daylight, other Alaskan factors for potato quality. While abundant daylight certainly plays a starring role in the quality of Alaskan potatoes, it is not the only factor. The unique Alaskan environment offers a suite of conditions that work together. These other elements complement the long daylight hours, creating a truly ideal setting for growing flavorful and robust potatoes. Glacial soils, a nutrient-rich foundation. Imagine soil that has been continuously refreshed and enriched for centuries. That's essentially what you find in many Alaskan growing regions. Glacial activity has shaped much of Alaska's landscape. As glaciers slowly move and retreat, they grind down rocks. This process deposits fine, mineral-rich sediment across the land. Runoff from these glaciers continues to feed the soil with a unique blend of essential minerals. This glacial enrichment provides a nutrient foundation that is hard to replicate elsewhere. These natural elements are readily available to potato plants. This means the plants can absorb a broader spectrum of minerals as they grow. Ultimately, these minerals contribute significantly to the potato's robust flavor profile. The diverse mineral content often translates into more complex and satisfying tastes. Enhanced nutritional value. Potatoes grown in such rich soil can offer a high concentration of beneficial nutrients. It results in a potato that is not just bigger, but also intrinsically more flavorful and nutritious from the ground up. Now you know why Alaska's unique climate creates potatoes with unmatched flavor. But how do you bring out the best in them when cooking? Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.